Oops. Hey guys, we're doing the 2-box Cork Kings Blaster Cheapie with the 2 extra bonus hits, the Blake Griffin Patch Auto and the Wade Gold to 10. So if you get Clippers, you get the Blade, if you get Heat, you get the Wade. It's 9:08, it's 43 PM Melbourne time. Hopefully we can get some blank slates, random live. I feel like a radio host. We're going how many times? 10. DS. Mexican Spanish host. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. What is the number? Yep. Oops. That one. Copy. And the teams. Going 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Random's complete, and the teams are